Welcome to Liba's English Corner. In our today's video, we are going to discuss how to describe a line graph in an IELTS exam. In your IELTS exam, you will have a graph like this known as the line graph. How are we going to define the line graph will be discussed in this video. So this line graph states the line graph below shows household recycling rates in three different countries between 2005 and 2015. It's very important for you to understand the main statement of the line graph. The main statement of the line graph contains very essential information which is very helpful when you are going to present your answer in the paragraphs. Specifically, paragraph 1 is all about paraphrasing, so it's very important to know the statement well. This is the line graph which we are going to discuss today. There are three countries which are presented here. In blue, there is UK, red, France, and green is Germany. On the left side of the table, you are seeing the percentages, and below the chart, you are seeing the years. Now, the structure. Structure of the line graph is, first of all, there is the introduction, then the body paragraphs. Body paragraphs would be three. First, the overview, then paragraph 1 with important features, and then paragraph 2 with important features. To sum up, we have to write four paragraphs: introduction, overview, paragraph 1 with important features, and paragraph 2 with important features. Remember, we don't write conclusion in task 1 of an IELTS exam. Now let's see how to write the introduction of the line graph in an IELTS exam. First of all, it's important to understand the graph well. If you know the graph well and the statement well, paraphrasing would not be difficult for you. The line graph illustrates regional household recycling rates in the UK, France, and Germany from 2005 to 2015. Now, we are only going to do paraphrasing here. Line graph is a line graph. We are not going to change with bar graph or any other thing. Shows is replaced by illustrates, and regional household recycling is written above the chart. And where three countries are written, we are going to write the names of the three countries, UK, France, and Germany. And instead of between, we are going to write from 2005 to 2015. Next paragraph would be of the overview. In overview, we are not going to write any number. No percentage, no number. In overview, we are just focusing on the main trends of the graph. In this graph, we can see clearly that UK and Germany are showing significant rise. On the other hand, France experienced a downward trend. So, we are going to write in this way. The recycling rates of the UK and Germany showed a steady but significant rise over the period, while the percentage of recycled waste in France experienced a downward trend. I told you that we are not going to write any number, we are just focusing on the main trends. The main trends are that UK and Germany are showing significant rise. On the other hand, France experienced a downward trend. So this is the main overview of the paragraph, and we are done with our paragraph 2 as well. Now we have to write paragraph number 3 and paragraph number 4. So, for paragraph number 3 and paragraph number 4, we are going to write numbers. We are going to present each and every minor thing presented in the graph. So, we have to divide them first. We can divide either by groups or by similar trends. In this line graph, I am going by similar trends. First of all, it's important to have a look at the graph before writing. So, the paragraph number 3 would be, in 2005, the recycling rates of the UK and Germany were nearly 35% and 20% respectively. Germany's rate increased sharply throughout the period, exceeding France's rate in 2009 and reaching almost 60% in the end of the period. Paragraph number 3 is not completed because we have to divide the information half for the paragraph number 3 and half for the paragraph number 4. Now we are moving toward the other part of paragraph number 3. In the meantime, the percentage of recycled waste in the UK grew to 40% in 2007 and then remained steady until 2009. During 2009 to 2011, it experienced a rapid surge to more than 50% and continued with a gradual increase to 60% in 2015. So, in this paragraph number 3, we are mainly focusing on our first two countries, UK and Germany. We are not focusing France here because we have to keep something for paragraph number 4 as well. Now we will see that how we will present our paragraph number 4. Remember that we have to present each and everything carefully in our writing. In early 2005, the recycling rate of France, 50%, was the highest among these three countries. However, it dramatically declined to 30% in 2013. Then there was a growth of 10% in 2015, but France's recycling rate was the lowest in the end of the period. We are done with our all four paragraphs. Now you have seen that in paragraph 1, simple was that we have to do the paraphrasing. In paragraph number 2, we have to write the general trends. In paragraph number 3 and 4, we have to divide the information and we have to write the percentages as well as the years presented in the chart. So I hope you understand how to present a line graph. I will provide a link of my playlist related to IELTS exam. You must visit to understand the other things as well. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe my channel, Laiba's English Corner.